Imagine this. You get the hiccups, and they just don't stop. Not for an hour, not for a day, but for 68 years straight. It sounds impossible, right? But for one man, Charles Osborne, this was his unbelievable reality. It all started back in 1922. Charles was working on his farm when he had a minor accident. Suddenly, he started hiccuping, and it just wouldn't quit. Day after day, year after year, the hiccups continued. Doctors were baffled. He hiccuped through the Roaring Twenties, the Great Depression, and even 2 world wars. Can you even fathom that? By the time they finally stopped in 1990, it's estimated he had hiccuped over 430 million times. Thankfully, he was still able to live a relatively normal life, getting married and having kids. If you love hearing about strange but true stories like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got more mind-blowing facts coming your way. Thanks for watching.